Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like many of you, you just buy tools on a whim. Don't really need it, but it looked pretty cool at the time when you saw it. Purchase it. You get home and think about it. You don't really have a big use for this thing, but you want to try it out anyway. Exact same thing I did this past weekend. Went to Lidl, L-I-D-L. Purchased this electric heat gun weed burner. Now I've already got a heat gun from Harbor Freight, which works pretty well for what I need it for. And I didn't really need this one, but we're going to burn some weeds with it outside, see if it works. Let me rearrange the camera. We're going to unbox this. We're going to look at it together. Be right back with you. Okay, here is the Lidl electric heat gun weed burner. It's put out by Parkside, right there. You see in the corner right there. Model number PLHLG 2000 C3. Okay, 2-in-1 multi-purpose tool. I'm trying to read this upside down. Multi-purpose tool with detachable handle, extension, and a maximum temperature of 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty hot right there, ain't it? Here's some of the attachments that come on the back. We have a, well, let's go this way. We have a weed burner nozzle, scraper nozzle, wide angle nozzle, reducer, grill starter nozzle, compact design. There we go. We have all that in there. Open this thing up. Right off the top there's the instruction manual. Okay, here we have the extension wand. Here we have the different attachments. Here's the main handle. Here is the gun itself. Right here. A little bit bigger than I thought it'd be. Nice grip on here too. There we go. Here's the knob right here where you can push this knob and twist this to be gun handle shape. Push this again and it turns into like that. Okay, here is the nozzle. Pretty self-explanatory. Has a stand right here so you can set it up like this. Let's see here. Let me see how long this cord is. This cord is, it's got to say on here somewhere. It doesn't say. Oh, here we go. Cord length 9.8 feet. So, might as well say 10-foot cord on here. I'm going to unwind this right here and plug it in. Let's see how loud this is to start off with. Plug it in right here. It's on low. Heats up quick. One, two, three. You check in here in the owner's manual and see what those 1, 2, 3 on the button means, because it didn't get any higher in airspeed. Oh, here we go. Okay, number 1 is 212 degrees. Number 2, 662 degrees. Number 3, 1,202 degrees. Now I have no way of measuring that. We're just going to take your word on that. So we have this bag right here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. I'm going to later put this in a Ziploc baggie, so I'm just going to rip all these up. Ooh, starting to get some heat on it. Okay, this one is the, what are we going to call that? Where's the box? We're going to call this one the weed burner nozzle. This one, scraper nozzle. Wait, this is the scraper nozzle. This one is the wide angle nozzle. This is the grill starter nozzle. And this is the reducer. So, how do we put these on here? Let me take that off. Let's put this on here. How do we put this on here? We're going to figure this out. So, let me get back to the instructions here. Okay, here we go. This will go into here. Screw it on. And then this handle will go into here. Pretty easy, huh? So now we can use it as a one-piece thing, and it is plenty long enough to get to the ground. I'm going to do that outside. You tighten this thing up. It has the little thing right here that you can put the cord in to keep it in place. There we go. Not too bad, really. And we can still turn this if need to be. There we go. So we can still turn that. Get that right down there. Let me close this back up. Straighten this back out so it's on the straight side of town. Push that in. Do that back up like this. I'm going to put the weed burner nozzle on here. There we go. Let me plug this thing in. See what's up with this. Gonna hold it like this. Need to turn this way. Here's the power button. So, let me get my glasses back on. Let me take this outside. We're going to cook up some weeds. See how good this works. Okay, here we go. Got next to this wall by the air conditioning pipes. Got a weed right there. Let's go ahead and take care of this one. I'm going to sneak my way in there and I'm going to turn this on and cook this thing away. There we go. I don't want to get too close to it because I don't want to take a chance of having a spark going. But let's go out to the weeds over there. Cook us something in the trees in the woods. Be right back with you. Okay, here we go. Got some weeds right here. I've got a pot of water just in case something happens that I'm not really wanting to happen because I'm working around this pine straw. So, let's kill some weeds. Got it on number 3, blowing out hot air. See, it's just drying those weeds up. Let's go to these right here, see what happens. See, the pine straw is starting to turn color. It is working. So, let's try these right here. There we go. Okay, let's try another weed. Let's go with these right here. I can smell it starting to smoke a little bit, but it is working, isn't it? It is definitely working. There we go. You can see the smoke coming from it now. So, let's put some water on that just in case. Let's do one more experiment. Let's go with, how about this one right there. We'll put this to the side. See how long this takes. It's already starting to smoke. Good thing I brought the water out here. But it is killing the weeds. It is doing as advertised. Not the fastest thing, but it is working. There we go. Just get a little bit more. So, my conclusion is, let me turn this off. My conclusion is, this thing does work. Let me back out of here. This thing does work, but I would use it more on your sidewalks, your driveways, other than in the woods like I'm doing right now. 25 bucks or so at Lidl, Lidl. Check it out if you need something like this, or if you just want to use your regular heat gun, I'm sure that would work too. But with the heat gun, you're going to have to bend over. With this, I'm not bending over a bit. So, check it out. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.